Select Kia models are equipped with a rotary dial shifter in place of the conventional gear shifter. Gears are selected by rotating the dial. Press the middle of the dial to select Park. When the vehicle is on, the gear position indicator will be displayed on the instrument cluster. Always depress the brake pedal before shifting to another gear, and remember to place it into Park by pressing the P button. If you turn the vehicle off while in drive or reverse, it will automatically shift into Park. It will also shift to Park if you open the driver's door. The vehicle has a shift lock system that prevents shifting from Park or neutral into reverse or drive, unless the brake pedal is depressed. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.